everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just before we start off, I want to say thank you for all the love and the support that you guys have been showing me thus far. I know that it's very early stages into my journey on YouTube, but I've been enjoying it so far, and the love and the support has been absolutely overwhelming, so thank you so much for that. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, because like I said in my last video, and if you haven't watched it already, I will link it in the description box below, but I've got a lot of fashion content coming up which you guys don't want to miss out on, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. But as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be an unboxing video, but I'm not going to be unboxing just one product, it's going to be two, so it's a double luxury unboxing. So without further delay, I'm going to get straight into it. As you can see, I've got the packages here and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Right, so that's the first box. So this is the first item. Just trying to figure out where I can cut it from and make life easier for myself. There we go. Ooh. Oh, I'm supposed to be showing you guys. Hello. Right, so there, I don't know if you can see the name. There we go. So as you can obviously tell, it is a DVF product, Diane from Furstenberg, which I absolutely love. I love her brand, I love her product, and as you guys may already know, I have one of her bags, which was from last season, I believe, that I took to Greece with me in October. But this is a different product, and it's a dress. I should, ooh, this is so difficult. I should turn it this way. There we go. So it's a item of clothing. The box here. So it's an item of clothing, and it may not all fit into the lens, but it is a, wow, it is a beautiful, beautiful dress, and it's a knit dress with this color block detail. It has blue, it's got black, and the black is sort of, ooh, I don't know how to describe this material. It's sort of like a faux suede. I didn't even know that it was like, I didn't know that this bit was like this when I purchased it, and then the rest of it is knitwear. This side is nude, and then the bottom bit is black. And I will insert a picture in the video somewhere so that you guys can see how it looks on. But it's sort of, it's long sleeve, like I said and like I showed you, and it has an A-line detail. And I purchased this on sale because I've had my eye on this dress for a very long time, for months now, and I saw one of my favorite bloggers in it a couple of months ago, and I decided to wait because I had a very strong feeling, a very, very, very strong feeling that it was going to go on sale. And if an item's going to go on sale and you've got that feeling, like you've got that connection, you know that the item's going to go on sale, why not just wait? The only thing is that you could wait and then the item could be sold out, or they will no longer have your size available, but that's just a risk that you're going to have to take, unfortunately. But yeah, I got this just before Christmas, and I initially saw it on Net-a-Porter, and it had gone down from, I think it was a little over £400, and then it went down to 280 something pounds, I can't remember. And then something said to me, Barbara, just continue to look, search other stores, other online stores, and see if they have this dress, even though it's almost old, and you know, these stores are in their clearance stages where they're getting rid of items. You never know, you might find it. And I use an app called ShopStyle, which I'm sure you guys, some of you guys may be familiar with, or some of you guys may not, but I will link it in the description box below. And it is absolutely amazing for looking for all sorts of fashion products, not just fashion, actually, yeah, fashion and, you know, homeware, interior, all that kind of stuff. They've got literally everything, and they stock, or they retail every single brand on the app or on their website. So I decided to type in DVF color block dress, and so many different dresses came up, thousands and thousands, and I said, you know what, today I'm going to take my time. I'm going to scroll through till I get to the bottom of the page. And as I continue to scroll, I finally found the dress on dvf.com, and it was retailing for £238, and they had my size. So I said to myself, even if it's £1 less, and it was free delivery as well, even if it's £1 less, I'm still going to get it anyway because I'm saving £1. So I quickly purchased it, and like I said, it was free delivery, and it arrived within a couple of days, which I found was absolutely terrific because it was during the Christmas period, and as you already know, whenever you order stuff online during Christmas, it may take a little longer to arrive, but this arrived, I think it arrived before the estimated date that they sent to me via email. So I am extremely satisfied with the service to start off with, and I'm absolutely loving the dress. I absolutely love it. I'm going to try it on. So let me not say I absolutely love it just yet, because I need to try it on. And oh, I got it in a large size, so hopefully it will fit well. Hopefully it won't be too baggy because it looks kind of big around the waistline, but let's just see how it looks on. Right, so the next item is in a slightly bigger box. And sorry guys, the boxes are kind of heavy, so I'm just going to put it on my lap whilst I'm unboxing the first part of it. Okay, so here's the next item. It looks nice. Let me throw this tissue paper somewhere. And let me just take it out of the box. It is, oh, I can't see it. Okay, so it is a pair of shoes from Oscar Tia. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I probably did my research, so I'm sure I'm correct, but if I'm wrong, please don't come for me. And I got them from Net-a-Porter. So as you can see, it comes with its duster bag, which is white. This season, or no, this year, I'm absolutely loving white. I know we're only a few days into the year, but I'm loving white so far. And oh wow, oh wow, let me put the box down and show you guys. So here's one. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Ooh. These are my first pair of shoes from the brand. Oh, sorry. Take this off. And I absolutely love this little Minnie Mouse / Mickey Mouse detail that they've got going on at the back of the shoe with the little mouse ears. It's so cute. I love heels with thin straps around the ankle, and I do prefer heels with thin straps around the toe area as well, but these I would give an exception because I absolutely love everything else about the shoe. And then it's got the logo at the bottom, if you guys can see, in gold, which I absolutely love. A lot of high-end brands do this, and I just love it. I love it so much. I got these in a UK size 39, which is a 6. Sorry, Euro size 39, which is a UK 6. And these were going for, I believe they were going for £460. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll insert the correct price at the bottom of the screen. But I managed to get these for £158. That's amazing. As in, like, that's like the best thing of life. And initially when they first went on sale, or when I first came across them on sale on Net-a-Porter, they were £183. And again, like the DVF dress, I said to myself, they're going to want to get rid of these products as soon as possible, so it's going to go through clearance and they will reduce the price again if they have to. And I kept checking every single day, again via Shop Style, straight to Net-a-Porter, if my size is available, and it was always there. They had all sizes available, ranging from size 2 up to size 8, I believe. And when it went down again to £158, I said to myself, you're obviously, if it was to go down even more, that would be better, but I didn't want to take the risk, so I just said to myself, let me purchase it now, which is exactly what I did. And I'm more than satisfied with the price of how I purchased it. So I absolutely love these, and I'm going to try them on and show you guys what they look like, and I'll probably insert a picture in the video somewhere so that you guys can see how it looks like online as well. But I absolutely love these, and I don't have a pair of silver heeled sandals or open toe shoes. I've only got one metallic pair which are closed, they're pointed. So yeah, I'm really happy with these, and it's just another cute pair of shoes to add to my growing collection of heels. And I just noticed the detail inside here, you can't really see it, it's sort of faux suede, so that should be comfortable as well. It should feel really soft around your, like on your toes when you wear it. So yeah, I really like them. I'm really satisfied with the products that I got. So those are the items that I purchased, guys. I'm really satisfied with them, overly satisfied with them, especially the shoes. And I think I'm extremely happy with them because of the price that I purchased them for. A lot of my luxury products, which are mostly heels, I purchased them on discount. So I purchased them when they go on sale, or I've purchased them from a luxury shopper whenever they are on sale. There's nothing wrong with purchasing things full price, whether it's a luxury item, whether it's premium high street, or whether it's high street. But if you know that you can get it on sale and save a couple of coins, then why not? So I'm going to do a video on how to purchase luxury items without breaking the bank, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that one. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if the items are still available, because like I said, I purchased them on sale, then I will definitely link them in the description box below. But if not, then I'll try and link similar items, and like I said, I will do a video on how to purchase luxury items for less than the price that it's retailing at. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, and don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter for simpleyetstylish.com, because I've got a lot of blog posts coming up for you guys as well. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.